Hi, I'm Casey, an elementary teacher from Yorktown, Indiana. I am pleased to introduce the video trailer for Mindlabs from Explore Interactive.
Hey, I'm Adam. Dr. Pixel helped me escape. She wants us to work together to stop Dr. Stonebreaker's evil plot. Let's get started!
At Explore Interactive, we work with you to nurture young minds to solve big problems. Using our augmented reality product, Mindlabs, students in grades 3 through 5 work independently through basic troubleshooting challenges. Let's see how it works. Mindlabs features animated cards with STEM concepts, such as energy and circuits, which learners revisit throughout their exploration. Students become engaged as they solve problems. Here, they work together on a single device to design solutions aligned to real-world design practices. I bet you're wondering about collaboration. In the app's multi-user space, students design and build circuits collaboratively, even if they're in different classrooms or learning at home. Students solve challenges based on science and engineering practices that build critical thinking, creativity, and communication. It's all how Mindlabs works with teachers to nurture growth mindsets. Because, as Adam and Dr. Pixel tell us, together, we can save the day with STEM! Support provided by the National Science Foundation and National Institutes of Health Small Business Innovation Research Grant Program.